So as we can see, this is the ventral aspect of pons and medulla, and this is the cerebellum. So when we turn lateral posteriorly and we cut it upon the cerebellum, we can see the floor of the fourth ventricle. The floor of the fourth ventricle, which is contributed in the upper part by the pons, the intermediate area which is demarcated by the presence of stria medullaris, which can seen as a ridge running laterally, and the lowermost area that is of the open part of the medulla. We can see a line in the middle part that is known as the median sulcus, dividing the floor of the fourth ventricle into two halves. Next to that, we can see this elevated area that is called as the median eminence on both the sides. Now in the upper triangular area, there is an elevation in the upper part known as the facial colliculus. Next to that, we can see a depressed area that is the superior fovea, which is the uppermost part of this sulcus limitans, and the lower is the inferior fovea. Superior to the superior fovea, we can see the bluish grey area over here and here, that is called as the locus ceruleus. In the intermediate area, this is the stria medullaris, and the most lateral part extending into the pons and medulla lying over the vestibular nuclei is called as the vestibular area. And coming to this lower triangular area here, from the inferior fovea up to the median sulcus, this medialmost triangle is known as the hypoglossal triangle. Then from inferior fovea up to this lower boundary of the floor of the triangle, floor of the ventricle, is known as the vagal triangle. We can see an elevated area over here which is called as the funiculus sapierens, and up to from funiculus sapierens up to the gracile tubercle, the area which is present over here is known as the area postrema. So the lower part of the floor of these infralateral margins are called as the tinea, and the meeting point of them in the middle is known as the obex part. This whole of the lower part of the floor of the fourth ventricle looks like a nib of the pen, so it is also called as the calamus scriptorius. So these are the things we can see in the floor of the fourth ventricle.